Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and it is that time of the month again. Yes, it is time for free game dev assets. This is a normal thing. Every 2 weeks, Epic Games gives away a number of free assets. I use that time to gather together all the other free deals I've got going on as well. What you see in front of you, this is one of the said assets in this bundle. This is the Science Fiction Desert City. We'll come back to it in just a minute when we go through all the other assets. You do have 2 weeks to pick all these up, by the way. And once again, as I do every week, here you can see it exported out running in the Godot game engine, minus the train, which did not get exported with the export process I used. But as you can see here, you can get these assets running in other game engines. I highly recommend you hoard these. Hoard them some more. Even if you are not using Unreal Engine today, you may in the future, or you may want to go ahead and check them out in another engine like what you see here. By the way, this is GD Studio. It is a new lightweight version of the Godot editor. I did a video about this on Monday if you want to go ahead and learn more about that. But as you can see, you can easily get this out into other game engines, so make sure that you pick these up regardless. Now, we've got a couple of others to go through here as well. First up, we have a June Epic learning content, a number of free training courses that were made available. There's no real time limit on this, but I just want to make you aware that these were all made available. So a ton of new courses were released for it. Phone mocap, the cinematic dialogue in Unreal Engine, creating material with substrate NPR shading in Unreal, 5.8 MetaHuman Animator markerless mocap. By the way, they also added that functionality in as well. That was part of the 5.8 release. And then talks about a number of their new demos and so on, such as Mesh Terrain, IrisNet Serializer. So a number of new Unreal Engine free courses have been added. On top of that, this one actually was earlier this month. But I'll throw it in here as well. Massive 101 is now available. This is free for non-commercial use. This is for creating like large crowd scenes. So they make a number of products, mostly for film and TV and so on. So the key here is, again, the Massive is their base product right there. But Massive 101 is a new version of this for creating these crowds. And it is free, although you do have to register on their website to get access to it. Again, not really for game development, a little bit more aimed at, pre-created, pre-rendered video. But the Massive 101 now available and free for non-commercial use. Now, another freebie we've got here is coming from Bundle Foundry. They've launched a couple of new bundles, and the cool thing they do is they have a free tier with each one of their bundles. So what you're going to notice here is they just launched a brand new bundle, the Scanned Ruins and Abandoned Environments bundle. This is from Scans Factory, so you can see here a bunch of different environments here. For Unreal Engine. Very cool stuff here, all redeemed on Fab, by the way. And you'll notice there is this free tier as well, so you can get a bunch of urban props, like a garbage cans crate, bins, whatever that thing is called, pallets, skids, garbage, that kind of stuff. Just handy things to have. And again, you could get it for free. Now, one thing I've noticed that they've added here, there is a bit of a time limit now. So there is a limit to the number of frees they are giving away. In this particular case, you can see, I just saw the number somewhere. When you switch over to the free tier, there was a limit of 542 left. So if you do want to pick these one up, make sure you grab them quickly for free. By the way, they've got one already running. That is an Ovani Sounds bundle. I love Ovani stuff. It is GameDev sound effects and music soundtracks and so on. They also have a free tier. This one does not have a limitation on it. So this one has, it's the sampler mix pack. You can grab that. If you haven't already grabbed it, you can pick that one up. Only a couple more days left on this one for its freebie. But if you're interested, Ovani Sound, again, free tier there. You can go ahead and check out what this kind of stuff is like. And then we head on back over to the Unreal Engine Epic giveaway. So these are redeemed on Fab, obviously. It doesn't matter which license you get. They will both be for free. It's Epic Games picking up the tab. So, hey, pick up the professional. It literally makes no difference. This one here is for Unreal Engine only. Let's go ahead and check that one out a little bit closer. So you can see the environment, everything you're working with to create this kind of, it's like basically like Tatooine in a canyon. So all of the assets used to create these things, and I think there are no interiors. No, they're not. But everything you see to create this kind of environment, pretty straightforward in that regard. Now, next up, we also have a template style game. So let's go ahead and check this one out. This is very specific, to be honest. This is a match 3 RPG template. So it's what you see here to create this match 3 style game. You do have an inventory screen like so, and a shop like so, but the primary game is this one, and it is, again, player versus player, and you're trying to do match 3. It's, you know, the whole Bejeweled or kind of thing, but for creating an RPG style game. Very specific there. But that is a game template offered here as well. And then the final one is a special effects pack, the Slash Trail. Now, I got to warn you, when I loaded this one up before, the performance wasn't great. And this isn't the video capture. This was just something about running this. Now, I did load this into Unreal Engine 5.8. So maybe it's a 5.8 thing. I'm not 100% certain. But you're going to notice once this loads in, it might be a little sluggish, just something to be aware of. So here we go, the showcase of all the various different effects. So you see here, like, fire trails, and again, that sluggishness, that's not me. That's the demo. You notice the error about that overflow at the top here, but if you need to create these lighting trails and so on, you can do so. But again, definitely some performance issues in this particular demo right here. And if you're wondering, I'm running this on a 4090, 64 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of video RAM, mobile. So it's not necessarily on me on that regard. But you can see that is the last of the 3 freebie giveaways from Fab. So once again, you have a limited time to pick these ones up. They go from June the 30th till July the 14th, at which point, hopefully, we get another giveaway. And then, of course, stay tuned, and I will cover that when that comes up as well. So of these, we've got the Science Fiction Desert Kit, and then we've also got the Match 3 RPG template, and then we've got the Slash Trail Effects Elemental effects. And so you see a bunch of different elemental effects, weapon materials, slash trail swords, auras, hit particles, ice, water, lightning, and so on. Pretty straightforward on the whole. Again, nothing here for like Unity or FBX or GLB or anything like that. These are all straight out Unreal Engine assets. But once again, I do remind you, you can export these things out. And I do have guides down below. Shows you how you can get it out from Unreal Engine into other game engines, both free and commercial ways. I always use this tool, Unreal to Godot, but there are other ways. The guides are down below if you want to go ahead and check that one out. So that is this month's freebies. Again, we got the 3 of them from the Epic Games giveaways on Fab, the Science Fiction Desert City, the Match 3 template, and the Slash Trail Effects. And of course, we've also got the number of new courses that were launched by the Unreal Engine community, a lot of it to go along with the 5.8 release that just happened. On top of that, Massive 101 now has their free for non-commercial use version available. And then over on Bundle Foundry, we have the 2 new free tiers, the Urban Props, and then not technically new, only 5 days remaining on this one. We have the free tier for the Avani bundle here as well. All of the links are down below if you want to go ahead and check all of these things out. So let me know what you think of this month's freebies. Again, if you're into getting up-to-date news on game development stuff, do hit like and subscribe, and I will keep you up to date. By the way, if you have any freebies for the 2 weeks from now when I do the next version, do let me know, and I will hopefully cover it in the next release. All right, that's it. I'll talk to you all later. Goodbye.